What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Starnesville. I got a quick video today. Should be simple, quick, and easy. If you watched my last video, I showed you how to make this. This is the torque converter cover that covers the driver. And what we're doing today is we are simply going to be painting this to match the color scheme of the motor. And I'm going to show y'all how I do my black and blue paint scheme. So sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Alright guys, before we get started, just want to show you the color. This is like a two-step process. First color, this is kind of the, I guess, the base coat. It's a Rust-Oleum Brilliant Blue in gloss. So that's the first thing we're going to spray down, and then we'll get to step two, and I'll show you how that goes. One thing I want to add too is it's kind of chilly out here. It's probably like about 42, 43 degrees. It's probably a bit too cold to be painting, but we're gonna do it anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat the steel up with my hair dryer, and then I'm gonna heat the paint up a little bit too, and then we'll get our base sprayed, and then we'll move on to step two. Sorry about the shadow. All right, base coat's on there. Let me let it dry for a second, and then we will hit it one more time with some blue base. Be right back. Alright guys, alright, so we got the base blue down on my cover, and what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to do this, get this effect right here. I mean, I guess it's like, I don't know, black splash, I mean, who knows. I like it, and I think it's cool, you know, something different, something unique. But let me tripod you guys, and I'll show you how to get this effect. So first thing you want to do, the most important thing is this. It's a Walmart bag, Kroger bag. It really doesn't matter, as long as it's some kind of bag, and what you're trying to get is this like crinkle look, like that. Okay. So what I do is I just try to, let me get you a focus. I just try to find like a nice looking, you know, just kind of get it to where you think it will look all right. I mean, I guess that looks okay, I guess. Let's see, let's spread that out a little bit. All right, like that. Get your work piece together. Shake up the old paint. Give me a second. Let me shake up this paint. Now, I didn't warm this paint up. I probably should have, but I didn't. But I don't think it's really going to matter much. So then what you do, you take your bag, you take your black or whatever color, this is your secondary color, and you just simply spray it onto the bag, and show you how that looks. Just get a little bit, spray it on the bag. I don't know if you can see me. Like that, and then just touch it on there. Keep just giving little spritzers until you get it like you want. Just keep sticking it on. It really ain't hard, guys. I mean, but you know, it does. It creates a. I mean, I like the effect that it gives. A little bit in the front, a little bit there. I mean, you just kind of put it in happy little places, happy little splotches, and happy little places. You may have to readjust your bag a little bit. Give yourself another spritzer. Get some in the middle. We don't want the middle to feel left out. Let's see. I'm losing control of my bag. It's all good. I need to get some down here in the middle. Just keep spritzing. Let's get some of my The hardest part with this is trying to get down into some of those nooks and crannies, but you know, you just kind of have to work it, or maybe just wad the bag up or something. Make sure you get paint all over your hands. Spray that, maybe tuck it down in there. There we go. Take your finger and just kind of shove it down on there. Another cool thing about this effect, though, is, you know, if you got defects in your work, it covers it up real nice. Anyway, but I mean, you guys get the idea. I mean, you can do this with any color combination. Let's see, let me get some right there, there. Some on there, some here, some there, here. Let's see how we look, guys. Let's get some of this action going. Kind of touch. And then my children screaming in the background. I'm sure that's real nice in the video. My daughter over here playing with the neighbor boy. Yeah, I guess it's all right. I feel like I need a little spritzer right there. Maybe some here. Yeah. I kind of like how the fins are almost you can almost see like a line there, and it kind of keeps the fins almost, yeah. I feel like I need some more back here. Oh, look, a piece of dog hair. That's lovely. That's not part of the effect, guys. No dog hair in your work, please. Good grief. Anyway. All right. Let me bring you in close, guys. Boom. There it is, guys. There it is. So that's how I do my my splotch paint. You know, you can do this with any color combination. It doesn't matter. I mean, it all works the same. I like another thing I like to do is use chrome paint as the base with the black splotch. Yeah, that's a really neat effect. I painted another motor that color, and there'll be videos on that coming up. But as for now, we're gonna conclude this video. Hope y'all learned something. I appreciate you guys tuning in, hanging out with me. If you haven't already, please help me out with a quick subscribe. Helps my channel out. And if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, And we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Y'all take care.